Thank you for visiting West Coast Auto Enthusiast. Today we're featuring a 2019 Nissan Frontier PRO-4X. This is a clean title, clean Carfax car. It's got 64,000 miles on it. We can finance it through Cuttle. We can put an extended warranty on it, and we welcome trades. So we had a customer that bought this new, and a couple of years ago we sold it to our mechanic who did a couple minor upgrades to it. It was modified before, but super clean. It's been meticulously serviced. It's got a small lift on it. It's got Wild Peak tires on it. It's got our mechanic added the mud flaps and the white knuckle sliders. It's got a deck bed drawer system in the back. It's got a headache rack. It's got a bumper and winch on the front with synthetic line. I think it's a 12,000 pound Badlands. Really nice setup. These are a ton of car if you're not familiar with them, although if you are, if you're looking at this, you probably are. It's basically the Rubicon version of the Nissan world, and they're very affordable. They've been great trucks. People that own them like them. There's just such a great price point for what you're paying for and what you're getting. So if you're not familiar with these, they're great systems. It's a decked bed system, drawer system. They slide in, you can lock them. They've got, it's all ball bearings, really smooth, and it's got storage in the front, in the top here. And then you have a tie down system. Tires are new, it was just serviced. We've got 3 master keys and the books for it. So super clean, cosmetically, didn't have to do anything to it. Basically detailed it and that was it. So if you compare these to the Toyota products, they're just so much more affordable, and arguably the newer generation Toyotas are, I think there's something to be desired. They're just, their lack of something to be desired. They're just not what they used to be. So you've got LED interior lights, which you can see. You do have cloth seats, and you've got manual seat adjustments here. But super clean. It's got WeatherTech mats in it. So these are, I've got three keys and fobs. So you can see passenger side, it's clean. Seat, passenger side seat is clean, dash, clean, no cracks. So, pretty straightforward as far as interior stuff goes and equipment. So transfer case, heated seats, traction control, delete, diff lock. You have dual auto climate control, which is there. Navigation. You have a backup camera.
Advantage of this amazing offer.
Sorry about that. Satellite radio. Navigation. Camera system. Bluetooth. Apps. Settings. It's all touchscreen. So fairly simple. Top right, you have a multi-function steering wheel. So over here you've got cruise on the left. Got volume control, mode control. You've got a diff lock here, just showing you're in 2-wheel or rear-wheel drive. Odometer 63,438 miles. No sunroof, so no issues with leaks or servicing that. I mean, the rest of it is very straightforward. So it is stock as far as the engine, and there hasn't been chipped or modified or anything. The air intake is standard also. So I mean, if you look at what you're paying for, you know, what you're getting, and the money you're spending, especially in today's truck world, it's they're super good, super versatile. They'll go anywhere. It's got a really nice 4-wheel drive system, and the way that it operates just in poor conditions is impressive. So if you have questions or would like additional information, please feel free to contact us, and we can be reached at 503-227-2354. And thank you for visiting West Coast Auto Enthusiast.